Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So then just tap to open the app and click enable in settings. Then click the green Apple keyboard, tap on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now it's finished and let's check the new keyboard. So we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.